Welcome to our flowery channel with Triangle Nursery. Thank you so much for joining us today. And my name is Debbie and I'm your tutor today. Now, in this video, I'm going to be discussing and focusing on the very beautiful and seasonal flower variety, Eremurus. Eremurus, commonly known as foxtail lizzie or desert candle, is a striking perennial plant native to the temperate regions of Asia. Now, renowned for its tall, spiky flower stalks that can reach up to 10 feet in height, Eremurus boasts an impressive display of densely packed, star-shaped flowers. And the colours range from white, yellow to pink and orange. Now, seasonally, they're available between April through to September. Now, the Eremurus' height and dramatic form makes it perfect for creating tall, eye-catching arrangements. They're often used in large vases or floor standing arrangements for events and in lobbies. Now, you can use them in modern and minimalist designs, so a few stems of Eremurus in a sleek tall vase can create a stunning contemporary statement piece. Their architectural form works well in minimalist interiors. Or for weddings, Eremurus can be incorporated into wedding decor for a striking and alternative look. They're fabulous for creating height and grandeur where desired. Now, I would recommend pairing Eremurus with other garden-like flowers such as peonies, delphiniums and foxgloves for a lush garden-inspired arrangement. And their vertical lines complement the rounded forms of these other beautiful flowers. Now, before I dive into the care and conditioning information for Eremurus, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more floral tips and creative projects. Now, let me show you the best way to keep your Eremurus looking fresh and vibrant for longer. Now, when you receive the Eremurus, unpack it gently. So trim about 1 to 2 inches from the bottom of the stems at a 45-degree angle. And that will actually create a nice big surface area in which the cells are exposed to the water. So it will take more water up more readily, hydrate the stem, keep it turgid, and allow the blooms to develop more quickly than it would do if you just cut the stem straight. Also, the advantage of cutting at an angle means that the stems don't sit flat on the bottom of a vase. They actually sit and they're protruded, so you've got area for the water to go into the stems and all the way up. If you cut them straight across, you've potentially got the problem of it sitting straight against the base of a vase, so flat, not allowing any water to go up the stem whatsoever. Keep them in a cool, dark environment and that will just help to prolong their shelf life until you're ready to work with them. Now, do keep them away from direct sunlight, drafts and ripening fruits, because ripening fruits will actually release ethylene gas and accelerate the ageing process. And store them in a nice cool area to prolong their freshness and ensure the storage area is well ventilated. You don't want to get moisture build up and then fungal growth. I would normally expect a vase life of 7 to 14 days, but this is very much dependent on the environment in which they're placed. Now, you will find that they develop from the base upwards, in a similar fashion to gladioli. Now, these are very, very fresh, as you can see, so none of the buds have yet developed. But when these blooms start to fade, just take your floristry scissors and trim the bloom as close to the stem as you can and remove those so it helps to encourage the other blooms to develop. Now, they are phototropic, so do bear in mind that they will bend to light, but actually I think that adds a really quirky feel to the bloom. If you want to maintain them in a vertical position, then my recommendation is place the stems together and then wrap them in some paper so that they literally can't see the light and therefore won't bend in that direction. It also helps if you're conditioning them, if they arrive and they're very thirsty, by wrapping the stems and the heads will then be supported when they drink, and when they become turgid, they'll stay in that upright position. And it's really as simple as that. Eremurus certainly can be splendid, and they can enhance any floral arrangement. But by understanding how to care and creatively use these flowers, you can ensure they look at their best for any occasion. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more floral tips and creative projects. So until next time, keep blooming, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.